In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim cashback on Pumpfun. If you've been trading eligible cashback coins on Pumpfun, the good news is that your rewards can be claimed directly inside the mobile app. This feature is designed for coins where the creator has chosen to share fees back with traders. So if you've participated in trading those specific coins, you may already have cashback waiting for you. To begin, open the Pumpfun mobile app on your device. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you use more than one wallet or trading profile. Your cashback rewards are tied to the account that made the eligible trades, so it's important to check that you're in the right place before looking for anything. Once you're inside the app, head to the rewards section. This is where Pumpfun displays any cashback you've accumulated from qualifying trades. If you've traded cashback-enabled coins, your rewards should appear here automatically. In other words, you usually won't need to calculate anything yourself or search through individual transactions. The app is intended to gather that information for you in one dedicated area. When you open the rewards section, take a moment to review what's available. If you don't see a balance right away, that can simply mean one of two things. Either the coins you traded were not part of the cashback program, or your rewards have not shown up yet in the app. In some cases, it may take a little time for recent activity to reflect, so it's a good idea to refresh the app or check back later if needed. If your cashback is visible, follow the claim prompt within the rewards area to collect it. The exact button or wording may vary slightly depending on the current version of the app, but the process should remain straightforward and built into that section. A helpful tip here is to keep an eye on which coins are specifically labeled or Rs, known as cashback coins, before you trade. Not every token will qualify, so understanding that distinction can help set the right expectations and make it easier to track potential rewards afterward. That's really all there is to it. To claim cashback on Pumpfun, you simply use the mobile app, go to the rewards section, and collect any eligible rewards that appear from your cashback coin trading activity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.